Want to make Google Docs easier on your eyes? In this video, I'll show you how to turn on dark mode in Google Docs on both iPhone and Android in just a few simple steps. So, let's dive in. First, open the Google Docs app on your phone. Once the app opens, tap on the three horizontal lines in the top left corner of the screen. A menu will appear. From there, tap on Settings. Now, inside Settings, look for the Theme option and tap on it. Here, you'll see three different options: Light, Dark, and System Default. If you want Google Docs to always stay in dark mode, simply select Dark. As soon as you tap it, the app will instantly switch to dark mode. And that's it. That's how you can enable dark mode in Google Docs using your iPhone or Android device. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more quick and easy tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.